right now, what we can possibly do again is to select this land, the land layer, come over to the adjustment, select level. Okay, it's already clipped. Want to remove some of the highlights from the land. Okay, like this. Okay, and come over to the first layer, create a new layer, choose brush, increase the size, the foreground color should be white. Okay, the opacity should be decreased, and right now we can still increase brush. It's too harsh. It's too harsh, and we can even choose this color right here and say yes, this work perfect. It's work perfect. Perfect. Okay, some foggies is added to the background. This is the before and this is the after. Before and the after. It's perfect like this. There's a light reflection on his face, and here is perfectly okay. And this is the end of this video. I'm gonna see you in the next video and continue from where we stop.